The Playpack has just brought so much fun to Charlotte and to our family. I absolutely love the Playpack. I think firstly is because it looks so great. It's really easy to get around. I can take it with me everywhere I go. It's lightweight, it's set up in a minute, and Charlotte is really happy in it. It makes my life so much easier because I know that when Charlotte's in it, she's completely supported. One of the features that I love about it is the fact that it doesn't look like a special needs product. It doesn't set Charlotte apart from other children at all. In fact, quite the opposite. Other children are attracted to it because of its bright colours. It just looks fantastic. I just absolutely love the fact that Charlotte is able to join in and participate with other children her age. The fact that she just lights up when she's sat with them as her mum is just lovely to watch. And this is just made possible with the Playpack. It's just a brilliant product. It is great as a therapy tool for both tummy lying and back lying exercises. I also use the long roll in part of her physiotherapy sessions. I use it to help facilitate long leg sitting, to help stretch Charlotte's muscles. Charlotte is really nosy, so she's definitely an upright girl. So we've tended to use it more in the sitting position because she likes to see what's going on. There's lots of different positions that we can use when we're using the Playpack. I tend to use the 2 horseshoes. This is because it gives Charlotte extra support. However, sometimes when Charlotte's wanting to reach forward or play with items such as a doll's house, I just use 1 horseshoe with the tube around the middle to give her the support she needs so that she can reach forward and play. Another lovely feature is the fact that we can attach Charlotte's favourite toys to the side of the Playpack, and obviously this changes from day to day as it does with most toddlers. It goes everywhere with us. We take it to Grandma's house, we take it to play groups, it goes to preschool with Charlotte, we use it everywhere we go. I just can't imagine not having the Playpack now. It's just such a massive part of Charlotte's life.